Okay, first let's go to our browser and find for Node, and here you can just download it. Next, go to Bun, and then you can just follow the instruction to install it. Really, it's that simple. It doesn't even matter what you install first, but install Node and Bun. This is the instruction. You can use PowerShell for Windows, and for macOS and Linux, you can just follow the instruction. It's really simple. After that, I made a wrong move here. Basically, I'm using uppercase on basic folder, so make sure you don't do that. Use all lowercase project name. Here I already renamed my project. See, lowercase. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that I'm using VS Code. You can choose whatever you want. The most important thing is open your terminal and then type bun create react app dot. This dot means current folder location. And now we are just waiting. Let's fast forward this. Now it's done, and we can see the package, and it's already installing React for us, and also the command to start. To run this, we will not use npm run, but use bun run start. That's it. You are done with the installation, and the website is running. It's easy, right? Next step is add the project to GitHub for version control. This is important so we can avoid the worst thing possible when programming, which is broke the current working project. With GitHub or version control, we can just revert to the latest working version if something happening. Actually, the worst thing is removing client database and unrecoverable. So never forget to backup your database before update if the project already running. It's easy to use GitHub, just follow the instruction. First step is git init, but Bun already do that on our first installation, so we don't need to do that. Since this tutorial not about Git, I will not discuss it here, maybe I will make it in the future. But for now, just follow the instruction. Git init add dot is means add all files, except in the .gitignore file, but it doesn't matter for now. And commit it with the message initialize. Again, you don't need to do this the first time because Bun already did this for you. And just copy the code from set branch, remote, and push for the first time. With this, we are done with the installation, and we already added it to GitHub. You can see it here. I will share the link in the video description below. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next video.